Sa sir ha, gi-video sa din ako sir.
Kaklase ni.
Lami kay mate ko. Kay cherry, of course. Ito ka mauso ng buong. Ito sa buong. Yes. Yes.
Employee of the Year, this certificate is proudly presented to myself. So we actually did a whole series of nomination and voting, and the people have spoken. This year's Employee of the Year is
Michael!
Roby. The 2024 Employee of the Year is Eloisa May.
Oh, shot muna! Shot muna! Shot muna! Shot muna! Shot muna! Woo! Ang work-life balance natin, i-workout na yan! Woo! Woo! Speech! Speech! Ulo! Ulo, oy! Oh my God, Army! Hala! Hey! Oh, gabi